Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and today is the day that we're gonna do the Babylon wedding. Amesh is here. You will join us later for the photo
Amesh
shoot.
is in that
Alright? Alright, Amesh? Alright. Alright, family. Let's go.
Make it too.
Let's go. Yeah, family. So I'm actually at the car. I'm now waiting for Miss Jam Tours, and I want to show you guys what Miss Jam Tours is wearing today, and what I am wearing today, family. So this is the suit, and family will be heading to the AG to get this certificate, family. Get this Babylon certificate, and continue with life, family. So I'm just waiting for Miss Jam Tours, and as I said, family, you must have been watching the previous video, the process and the hassle that we have to go through to actually, get them to approve, this Attorney General wedding, family. So it's a process, and you have to have your documentation, right? But if you are a foreigner, you're in Kenya, you need to marry, you can hit us up on the WhatsApp, and we can guide you through the process with everything that you need, family, to actually start the process. Everything is done online, and you have to go for them to confirm the documents. Once they confirm the documents, they give you a date. You pay like 9,000 shillings for the wedding, family, and you get the certificate, and then you continue with your process, maybe through immigration and stuff, if that's what you want, family. So you know what I mean? We're just going through it, and while we go through the process, we're gonna share the experience with you. So if you know someone that is going through the same thing, then they can actually, you know what I mean? We can guide you, family. So let's wait for Miss Jam Tours. As you know, female take a long time to fix up themselves and do their stuff. So I'm actually just waiting for her outside here, family, while I give you information and this if you need to. All right, so let's go. Let's wait for Miss Jam Tours to come. Let's wait. So that's Miss Jam Tours, their family coming. Amesh, sad? You're sad? Yes, for the photo shoot you'll come, okay? Alright. Alright, sweetie, come, let's go. Yeah, family, so this is Miss Jam Tours.
In her.
Walking in heels. And she's feel how it feel like you're pregnant.
Comfortable.
Feel comfortable? I just want to say that because
Oh, even if it's comfortable, it doesn't have an manual.
doesn't have a one.
I will take a
Doesn't have a one. And please don't step on the stone. Mind your fall. Please don't step on the stone.
above box.
Yeah.
Don't look comfortable. Am I not looking comfortable?
I don't know if you're pretending. You know,
How
you
will I
females like to
pretend?
pretend and walk like nothing happened. This is Mr. Jam Tours, family.
Okay, look, you took you to love.
I never have the belt. I never have
Of
the
course
shoes.
you do.
What?
See, they're brown.
This is it. Let's go and get
Am I
this
showing
bag.
myself or? I'm showing you.
You're showing yourself, sweetie.
See, this is how you had put it even when you were nannying.
No, sweetie. You should put it like this. So the camera is on me. You wasn't showing me.
No, now I'm showing you.
Yeah, family. So this is me, Jam Tours. I never have the belt. I never have the shoes. But I'm going anyway.
Which shoes don't you have? Of course, blue goes with brown.
Eh?
Blue goes with brown. Hold this.
Hold the door for you.
Yeah, okay. Hold this. Sha. When? Bye. Bye. Bye.
She just put them on the back. Alright family, so that's Miss Jam Tours. Just gonna close the door for her while we go. Okay? Let's go. Alright family, let's go. We're supposed to be what time did we set again?
12.
It was 12? Yeah, so the wedding time should be 12, but I think if you go early, they still will attend to you.
The problem is
So
that
it's a short process family, nothing
we
long.
don't have our witnesses ready.
Yes, you have to have one witness. Each
So-
you have to have one, and I have to have one. So, family, let's go.
I'll tighten this.
Yeah, family. So we're actually in the middle of Nairobi by the parking spot called Holy Family Basilica. That's where you park when you come to Nairobi and you need to do your business. So, can't live with the soldier you're seeing. Yeah? Yeah, just leave it with them.
I'm going to talk to the lady. I'm sure we'll understand this.
Okay? Yeah, family. So we're actually in the middle of Nairobi, and as you know, the excitement in this suit walking, going to Sherry House. People is just looking at us.
Yeah.
Yeah, family.
I'm glad
So
we got a spot at the studio.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll
I
just
think
go
that
now.
time is nice. Amesh will have written and all that.
Yeah. So we'll go and do the photo shoot, call it a day, until we're ready to do a big celebration.
So we just
when
have
the
one
kids-
outfit, by the way.
Yeah?
We just do one outfit.
Yeah, just one outfit, yeah. We'll have a big celebration when the kids are grown.
Aki B, you told me it's next year.
Guys, we still have traditional.
That's when you're shipping for me, that's my ball gown.
I will still have traditional wedding to do. Yeah. So we have to give that some time to run off all of the traditional to run off.
You should do the traditional wedding first.
Finish up that like all these different stages and steps that I need to take for the traditional wedding, and then after then after we'll actually just do that celebration. Yeah, I feel like that's it. Yeah.
This AG, I feel like they should have a hall, a decorated place. So because now when we are walking, let me finish my statement. When we are walking now, right now here, people are looking at us like, these ones are going to do wedding. And even when we get there at the Sharia house, everybody knows that these ones have come for wedding, you know?
But I feel these people can make real money if them actually
And they should have
structure
like
it
a
nice,
place,
like
a wedding, like,
a nice photo studio.
Yeah.
So when you finish, you just go there and take your photo,
Nice chairs.
and that's it.
Yeah.
That's what they should do.
That's the whole idea of what you have to,
Yeah. Right?
I am feeling nice in my dress. I
Mm.
guess when you've not put on something,
Yeah.
you don't see it looking nice.
Yeah.
Once it's on you,
Yeah, that's when you know that it's nice, fam.
but even the belly has fit it so well.
Yeah.
I think also the best dress
Yeah.
because the others, nah.
Yeah. Yeah, fam. This is what the streets of now really look like on this day. This day that the Lord has made.
Where are you? Oh, I think that's right. You said at 11.
What time is it now?
It's 11.
Yes, family. So we're actually almost there now. Miss Jam Tours. Watch your step, Miss Jam Tours.
You are handling me like it's my first time to walk in heels.
Right? It's like
And the heels themselves are not even long, like
it's
tall.
like Miss Jam Tours not even pregnant family. So how she walking in these heels. I am really surprised.
Now walking past you.
Yeah. I am really surprised.
Even those people will be shocked.
Yeah. They're just gonna see the excitement now at the age. Oh, it's not even full, sweetie. We walk. Walking straight in anyways. Yeah, we need to ask Baba Han, where is that parking that he's talking about?
Yeah, there's another one here with a suit. Because there are many people doing weddings. You've seen a blue suit. Oh, that flower there.
That's the studio or something?
Nah. Like the rating.
Alright, family, so we actually reach and let's go inside. Oh, look at that one.
Look at that, that's a sample.
Yeah. Good thing we never disappoint. Yeah, I'll see you stand.
Just walk in.
Okay.
Get her up.
Yeah. Go to the soldiers. Talk to the soldier then. You have to wait and they can come in. Oh! Oh, pass. Yeah, fam, that's my dad right there. So you want to hold this.
Let me hear how he says. Not walking. We didn't even see
I'm looking for you on this side.
We didn't see you.
Yes, I thought you didn't. What is this, a camera?
Yeah.
Yes, I saw you coming all the way.
Yeah. He looked good.
He looks good.
Finally, he
I have to run and get a last minute suit.
I told you not to buy a tie.
But it comes with the entire suit.
Come again?
Come with the entire thing.
Oh,
That's why I had it.
and I have to put on mine. I had made a special one for you.
Wow.
So you keep yours, I'll keep mine.
you put on.
Yes. Now,
Let me ask you a question.
so,
My witness is here.
yes, find out what.
Yeah, family. So we have a number of 25. The number that they have is number 15. So we got to wait for 10 more people to get to do their wedding before we can enter. So we're just gonna wait outside for the number. While we wait. All right. So let's wait. So it's really mix.
When we enter in this small room, we come in and this time it's small.
Yes.
Imagine in a few, because
Produce good pictures.
Yeah, it's very nice pictures. It has a picture. It has a picture option.
I call upon all persons present
I call upon all persons present
that I, Mary Wanjiru,
that I may be one children
do take you, Ramesh O'Brien,
to take you, Ramesh Brian Nelson,
as my legally wedded husband.
as my legally wedded husband.
Now please tell me. At this point, therefore, as the registrar, I now declare Ramesh O'Brien and Mary Wanjiru legally wedded. Mr. O'Brien, you may kiss your bride. You may come forward and sign. Mr. O'Brien, sign here. The witness has come forward. So, Mr. O'Brien,
Yes.
please. Take a photo of the relations.
Oh
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
That was the end of the process. I wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Can take some photos here, please. Thank you. Okay. Is it video?
Yeah, this is the video.
Okay. Is it on?
Yeah, family. So we finish. Should I record the entire process? I don't know. The vows and all kind of thing.
Yeah?
Should I record the entire process? The vows.
But
Yeah, you can
who would
record
have
it.
recorded this for us?
Could I put the camera on the table?
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah, family. So, you know what I mean, we finish. We're just heading back home. Just gonna do a photo shoot.
The wedding is over.
The wedding is over.
At
That's it.
15 minutes.
That's the
10.
Babylon wedding.
Yeah. We have rings on our fingers.
That's the Babylon wedding. In the city of Nairobi.
You say your passport is here?
Yes, sweetie.
Where?
It's there. Where could it be?
Maybe left it on the chair.
Alright, family. We're gonna head to the photo shoot, so we'll share that with you. Like, share, and comment on the video. And if you need,
We'll show you a photo shoot of Mr. and Mrs. Nelson.
yeah, we've been actually, you know, so to you, it's like anything changed. Nothing has changed to me.
Me, it has changed though.
Because
lot has
but we've been husband and wife from
We have been,
for the past
but
2
now
years. So why should it
we
change,
have.
you know, just because we get a ring? I don't see nothing.
Because there was
nothing
Kiss the Bride.
Look how much time we kiss the bride. Eh?
Who are not traditional there.
They don't kiss the bride at church.
I hear this.
Here at Miss Jam too.
You can kiss until, you know,
Yeah.
because there is a child doesn't care how long you are taking.
Yeah, family. So that is it. Let's go. The sun is hot. I'm burning up. Miss Jam too, so she love her ring. Love it.
Scratch with my
Scratch so you can see your ring. Alright family, let's go. Yeah family, so we actually, you know what I mean, just heading out now for the photo shoot. Alright, so let's go. Alright family, let's go. So we're heading to Storage Center. See there's the key there? I have it. We're heading to Storage Center to actually get this photo shoot done. So let's go. Yeah family, so we're actually at Storage Center with Amesh. Amesh getting a chance to walk in Storage Center. You get a chance to walk in Storage Center, Amesh? Yeah? Sweetie, it's here again. Sweetie, it's on this. It's here again. It's on this side. You remember? Okay. Yeah, I think it's it. Flowers inside. Yeah. Yeah, family. So I'm here with Amesh, and we're going to the photo shoot in Storage Center. So let's go. One thing with Amesh, I'm not afraid to walk. One thing with Amesh. Amesh, what are you looking at? What are you seeing there? Eh? What are you seeing there, Amesh? Tell me. What are you seeing there? One thing with Amesh, I'm not afraid to walk. One thing with Amesh. Amesh, what are you looking at? What are you seeing there? Eh? What are you seeing there, Amesh? Tell me. What are you seeing there?
I could be.
Good boy. Good boy. My good boy.
No. Stand.
No stand up. No stand up.
No, sit there. Jang. Amesh? Hamesh? Hamesh wants that.
No, don't put it in your mouth. No.
Thinks it's a fruit. Hamesh? Yes.
Hey family, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. It's actually finished with the photo shoot, and this day is finished. As you can see, hope you like, share and comment on the video. And if you decide to do an AG wedding in Kenya, as you know guys, we can assist you with prepping you on what you need to actually complete this process. So we sign out for now. Amesh, say hello. Say hello. 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 Yeah family. So one love, Wbesite. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Let us know your thoughts, and if you are thinking about doing an AG wedding, you're not sure what to do, we can assist you. I'm out. One love. Wbesite, Jamaica.